guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. Really quick, I've been on this emergency dessert cake for a while. Normally my emergency dessert is when me or my daughter have birthdays, and we'll freeze the cake. We'll cut it into little pieces and we'll freeze it. And we need something, we'll go in and grab it. And since we use Corbin cakes, it's just as fresh as it was the day we got it on the first day. But that's a whole nother story about how awesome her cakes are. But my last video about emergency dessert was the Girl Scout Thin Mint mug cake, which was amazing. If you haven't checked that video out, be sure to check it out. But you know what? I'm like, you know what? Let me show them what I do when I have stuff laying around, when I have healthy stuff that you can, get that sweet tooth craving out of the way and not feel terrible. It's small portions and you're getting a health benefit, right? At least a little something. So I love chocolate covered strawberries, but I don't want to make them. I don't want to go through the process of making them. I don't want to wait for them to harden. I don't want to wait for any of that stuff. So I have what I use for that, to get that craving out of the way, is from Sam's Club, the Market Member natural sliced strawberries. These things are so sweet. They're so good. I mean, sometimes you get the frozen strawberries and they're tart, or they have that that crusty frozen taste. I can't explain it, but these are super awesome. They're really good and they're sweet. Chocolate chips. These are supposed to be dark chocolate. I thought they were, but they're not. They're semi-sweet, but use dark chocolate. That's where you get your antioxidants and all that good stuff from that. So pretend these are dark chocolate. And then any whipped cream, whatever whipped cream you use, whether it's ready whipped, you can use a light whipped cream, just whatever whipped cream, but make sure that it's light. Or if it's not, just put a little bit, right? It's a tiny small portion. So I wouldn't even worry about that. All right, so I'm going to take my strawberries and pour them into a little bowl, right? If you want them frozen, cool. I don't want them frozen. I want mine kind of unthawed. You can just let them unthaw, or you can throw them in the microwave and let them unthaw for a second. I think I dropped the strawberries. That's whack on my part. But yeah, so just go ahead and let those. I don't want them hot, right? I just want to kind of defrost them, get them a little soft for what I'm trying to do. Let me get my spoon ready. I mean, like I said, this is so, I thought about this the other day. I was like, I want chocolate covered strawberries so bad, but I don't want to make them. So this, when you get that bite of the strawberry, the chocolate chips, and the whipped cream, it is so good. Even my baby loves it. And let me just stop this right here. I don't want them to get too, there we go. She is a hater. Or she'll tell you, she'll be like, it's all right. It's not all that, right? So what I do, I'm going to show you guys. I put my whipped cream on the top first. And then I top it off with the chocolate covered strawberries. With the chocolate chips. So then that way, when I take that bite, I think I put a little too much whipped cream, but it's okay. But when I take that bite, look at that. And it's cute too. It looks so cute. So I have my strawberries, my, let's pretend dark chocolate, and my whipped cream. So that is giving me that chocolate covered strawberry taste in a little tiny bowl, in a little tiny portion. And I didn't have to wait. I didn't have to wait to dip the strawberries, wait for them to get hard, put them in the refrigerator, all that stuff. Nope, it's all right here. Also, if you don't want to use whipped cream, if you want to use Greek yogurt, that's just as awesome. But me personally, for some reason, I don't like yogurt with chocolate. It is like weird to me. I don't like it. But anyways, but that's all I got, guys. I wanted to show you a quick, easy way for an emergency dessert and to get that chocolate covered strawberry thing going without having to go through the process of actually making them. You know what? Let's make that a shake. Let's make that a protein shake. I was just thinking, I was just tasting, I was like, oh my God, if we threw that with some whey protein or some cachava, that would be crazy. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be sure to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time. Check out the Live Good opportunity, 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom. If you have an emergency dessert that you use, that you have just stuff laying around your house and you need something sweet, I would love to hear what it is. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.